Hey guys, what's going on? My crafty thinkers, welcome to another craft short. And today we are going to be talking about getting organized. Now, if you can see all of the fuzzy chaos behind me, I work a lot and I'm very, very busy. So I need to stay organized. So what do I do to stay organized? Well, I got into bullet journaling. Oh my God. Got into bullet journaling. Let me tell you, first of all, bullet journaling is a hot freaking, I can't even, like, it's so stressful. Everybody wants to make this beautiful, wonderful bullet journal. And you know what? I don't have time to make really beautiful, crazy, like unbelievably wonderful spreads. I'm telling you, I went through all of these books in order to help me bullet journal better, and none of them helped me at all. I don't have time to do these spreads. I'm busy. You know, I can't spend all my days impressing the internet with all of these beautiful spreads, okay? I'm talking to you, Instagram. So, what I decided to do is hack bullet journaling. That's right, I decided to hack bullet journaling so that I am able to do my spreads and organize myself in an easy, efficient way and not spend hours and hours of time that I don't have creating beautiful, wonderful bullet journals. I just want something to keep myself organized, and I'm going to show you a very simple and easy hack for your bullet journaling so that you can stay organized, use the bullet journaling techniques, and also have something really nice to look at while you're doing it. So stay tuned.
You're going to need some color pencils. And you're going to need a piece of paper. Oh, and don't forget your scissors and some nice things to make decorations. And we're also going to use some pins, a pencil, oh, and yes, a stamp pad. Woo! Let's get to work. Oh, and a hole punch. That'll be cool too. And I use this in order to make my holes even. Now, I also am going to use a binder. Now, I'm using a binder because that's what I use for my bullet journal. And we're going to be going through bullet journaling in another video, but that's what I'm using. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your bullet journal spread ahead of time. That's what you're going to use your pencils and your color pencils for to make your spread the way you would like it. Now, for the interest of time, I'm not going to finish my spread. I'm going to show you the finished product. This is my spread, and I needed a brain dump spread for my new ideas. So what I do is I do one side of the spread, and then I do the next page on the other side. And if you mess up, all you have to do is cut your fold and add another piece. That's what I did here. So you don't have to worry about being totally neat. You can fix it later by just doing them two pieces separately and then putting tape on it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take that and you're going to bring it to your printer. And when you bring it to your printer, you're going to make a photostat copy of your spread, right? Seems simple enough. Then with that photocopy, you're just going to fold it, and then you're going to cut your spread in half. And then with that, you're going to add it to your mini binder. So we're going to go through my full bullet journal binder in a later video, but I like to use a binder because I mess up my pages often and I don't like ripping my pages out. So I have my two spreads. Now all I'm going to do is make 3 holes for my binder that I'm going to use for my bullet journal. So I use this as a way of measure. It's just a pre-punched page. And then I use my little puncher and I make my 3-hole punches in my mini binder for my spreads. Simple, right? Are you still with me? Great. So I make my holes, and then once I make my holes and punch it, then I just add it to my binder. I like this method, and it's really helped me bullet journal the way I like to without ripping up my book and messing up the whole journal. So I have my pages, and I make a couple of these pages because I use them to work on my projects. So here is the binder that I use, and like I said in another video, we're gonna go through my bullet journal binder and see how I set it up. But I'm just gonna add my pages to my bullet journal, and that's pretty much it. And that's how I like to do it. It's very simple, very easy.
Well, that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this hack, please click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to comment and tell me how you liked this idea. It was helpful for me, and I'm hopefully, why can't I talk? I'm hoping it was helpful for you. My name is SAJATA-E, if you didn't know that already, and I hope to see you come back soon by my creative fingers.